learned so far? We learned about a normal distribution. Normal distribution. So we learned about a normal curve, bell-shaped graph. And this, we didn't mention anything about outliers when we were talking about a normal distribution. Okay, so remember last time we introduced actually 4 different distributions. We talked about normal distribution, we talked about uniform distribution, and then we said, what if we have skew to the left, skew to the right? So this is a normal distribution, bell-shaped graph, and skew to the left, skew to the right. Skew to the left, it means that the tail is on the left. And skew to the right. So we use skew to the left, skew to the right when we have outliers. So again, these are all bars, like the age of students that we did last time. Remember that it was skewed to the right side, the shape of the graph. There we go. To represent skewed graphs, we have a method that we call box and whisker plot. Another method to visualize and at the same time analyze skewed or non-skewed, mainly for skewed data is using box plot. Okay, box plot, it has a box and it actually has whiskers. What's the graph like? You use a horizontal axis. On this horizontal axis, we need 5 numbers. Minimum, maximum, here I need more space. So minimum, maximum, the median, the middle number, suppose your median is here, and also the median of the data collection on the left-hand side, the median of the data collection on the right-hand side. So median on the left for this collection, and you need the median on the right. So we have minimum value, we have maximum value, we know how to find median. We call median the second quartile. We denote it by Q sub 2, second quartile. Second quartile. The median of the first collection is called the first quartile, denoted by Q sub 1. Q sub 1 for the first quartile. The median of the set on the right-hand side is called the third quartile, Q sub 3. Third quartile. Very well. After finding these numbers, suppose this number, the first quartile, is right here, and suppose the third quartile is right here. We form and construct a box. The box is going to be like this. So first quartile, third quartile, they form the sides, and then we connect these. We actually have a box. This is your box, and the median is just here. This is called a box plot. Let us go over one example. So this example says, we are on page 1. Example. Construct box plot for the following data. Here you have 7, you have 20, 16, 6, 58, 9, 20, 50, 23, 33, 8, 10, 15, 16, and 104. Okay. Here's your data. Here's the numbers of value that you have. Just take a look at these numbers. When you take a look at these numbers, you can actually see there is an outlier here. What is the outlier? It seems like 104 is an outlier. So the data is skewed. You can say that since I have 104 in this collection, it is skewed. Since 104 is on the right hand side, it's skewed to the right. To the right. Okay. So let us construct our box plot. Remember that to construct the box plot, we need the following information. Box plot. We need the minimum value. We need the maximum value. We need the median or second quartile. We need the median of the collection on the left-hand side, which is Q2. We need the median of the collection on the right-hand side, Q3, and we construct a box, just a box. Okay, perfect. So let's find them one by one. What is the minimum value in your collection? What's your minimum value?
6.
6. Okay, the 6 in this collection is going to be my minimum value. What is the maximum value in your collection?
104.
Very good. Thank you, guys. So now, what is the median? What is the median?
26.3.
Very good. So let us use our calculator to actually find the median. So let's turn on the calculator. Let us go to Stat, go to Edit. So let me just erase all of these numbers. So I have 7, I have 20, I have 16, I have 6, 58, 9, 20, 50, 23, 33, 8, 10, 15, 16, and 104. Okay, let me show you this. So we entered all of these data. We're going to go to Stat. We're going to go to Calc. Enter, 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 enter. Okay, so This is my very first page. It shows the mean, it shows the standard deviation. I don't want these. I'm going to the next page. What is my median?
16.
16. So do you see Q1 and Q3 here?
Yes.
It's already calculate everything for you.
I see Q1.
Which is your first quarter.
Oh, okay.
So by using your calculator, you found Q1, the first quartile, to be 9, second quartile, which is 16, and third quartile is equal to 33. Okay, 33. Very good. So look at the scaling here. You have 6, you have your maximum, 104. So in the middle, you have, for example, your 50, and your Q1 is 9. So suppose this is your Q1, which is 9. Then your Q3 is 33. Suppose Q3 is here, 33. And Q2 is 16, the median or Q2. Okay, so take a look at this. Here you have your box, and Q2 is here. Take a look at the graph here. If you want to graph this, it's going to behave like this. It is skewed to the right. The tail is on the right. It's on the right. And it is skewed to the right. There we go. So we click on second, y equals 2. So second, y equals 2. Select the first graph by entering. Enter. Turn it on. It is off. So you have to turn it on. So click on enter. It is on now. Go to the next line that has your graphs. The first line, it has some dot plot, it has your histogram. Go to this box plot. If you select the first one, it actually shows you the outliers. If you select the second one, it forgets about your outliers and graph the whole thing. So enter. Now, click on graph, zoom 9. Here's you have your box plot.
I'm sorry, I'm going to need you to repeat that one more time.
Me too.